This is some part of the bike route of the toughest duathlon in Asia, the 77.7 Titan Philippines. As you can see, meron siyang uphill and downhill of course. At maraming exciting part. As you can see here, yan, mataas na ahon, kaya siya tinawag na toughest duathlon in Asia. And marami din syempre downhill. Ingat lang dahil malakas ang crosswind. Depende siguro sa weather on the race day. So, good luck po sa lahat. Marami din pong flats, pero false flat. Dito, you can gain your speed and momentum, pambawi dun sa inakyat na